Prepare to be transported to the age of the Vikings as we introduce Dad the Berserker, a master leatherworker whose Viking-inspired armor is a breathtaking blend of historical accuracy and artistic flair. Each piece of his ensemble has been meticulously handcrafted, showcasing his dedication to the craft and his deep appreciation for Viking culture. This warrior's attire is not just a costume, it's a work of art, embodying the fierce spirit and rugged strength of the Vikings. Many thanks to Dark Horse Workshop for the fantastic patterns, and follow Dad the Berserker on Instagram.